Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable TPM on VMware to install Windows 11. I am using VMware Workstation 16 Pro. If you want to install Windows 11 on VMware Workstation Pro and don't know how to enable TPM in VMware, then this video will help you. Okay, now click on the virtual machine and click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Click on Options. From the list, click on Access Control and Encrypt. Set the password. Once done, click on Encrypt. Now click on Hardware. Underneath, click on Add. Choose the Trusted Platform module and click on Finish. Now this will successfully enable TPM on VMware Workstation Pro. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.